Hi guys, nandito na lang pala ako para kumanta. Oo. Kasi 'di ba, idol na idol ko si Michael Jackson. So kakantahin natin lahat para maintindihan niyo na idol ko talaga siya. Una kasi favorite ko yung You Not Alone. Tatapusin ko to guys. Love is good. I'm still all alone. How could this be? And nobody with me. He never said goodbye. Someone tell me why did you have to hold and need my words to hold? If you did see, lost myself up be myself. Some purpose in was this, and you are now alone. I am here with you, nowhere far away. I am here to stay, and you are now alone. I am here with you, no heart in always in my head. So, dito ka na lang muna tatapusin. Pero alam ko talagang mahaba yun. Tapos, may sisigaw pa doon. Pero, paglaki ko na lang guys. Kasi, paglaki ko, kasi stage, oh my god, tapos kakanta na ako ng ganun. Bibidyohan ko para makita talaga yung talent ko. Pero guys, part 2 na lang. Kakantayin ko naman yung Billie Jean kasi itong favorite ko yun. 6 hanggang 7 kasi yung favorite ko. So, part 2 na lang. Hindi na kasi kaya. Haba kasi, no? Shout out sa mga kabadaan dyan ang minahal kay Michael Jackson. Paki-like naman dyan. Comment din. Dapat pag nag-comment, picture Michael Jackson kung totoong idol nyo talaga. Comment your idols and like, share, please subscribe. Thank you and I follow you. You follow me. Thank you. And your idol Michael Jackson, comment here. And your picture, your comment here, Michael Jackson. Okay?